So, welcome students for this foundation class. This foundation class is meant for strengthening our concepts, formulas, equations, etc. On mathematics and science, so that it will be useful for us when we go to 11th and when we face a lot of competitive exams like NEET, JU, CUET, CLAT, this, that, so many exams are there. So that is the whole idea. Right. Today we will look at mathematics and we'll see some question paper which we have seen. In the same question paper, one or two questions we did not see. So we will try to see the questions which we have not seen so far and see whether we can do that. So this is the question. Yes, you want to say something? Somebody wants to say something? I don't know whether we have seen this paper or not. I'm not very sure. I think we have seen this paper. Some of the questions we have seen, I think. Yeah, maybe we will take from 108. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the first question I will read. If an equilateral triangle of side 9 centimeter is inscribed in a circle, then the radius is equilateral triangle is inscribed in a circle. Then the radius is. So let us look at some in radius. Okay, somebody is coming. No, it's not in radius. It's equal to sargam circle. No, it's called. We have to see sargam circle. Circum circle. What does this mean? Circum circle means this. See, this is sargam circle. See, there's one circle, and the one triangle is there inside the circle, or in other words, there is one triangle, and on touching all the three vertices of triangle, there is one circle. That is called sargam circle. If this triangle is an equilateral triangle, no, sargam circle of an equilateral triangle. This one, yes, this one. So, what is it called? See, they are asking radius of incircle. Radius of, I mean, okay. What is asked actually in the question? Let me see. If an equal triangle of side 9 centimeters is inscribed in a circle, then its radius is. So, in Sargam radius they are asking, not the in radius. Sargam radius is asking, that is big R they are asking. What is the big R here? Just see. They are asking that big R. Now, this, why it's not getting bigger? Sargam radius, let's see. Hmm. Hmm. If the circum radius equal to triangle ABC, then the height of the triangle. No, this is ulta. No, this one. Hmm. Circum radius is BG or CG or AG. AG is equal to 2 by 3 AD or root 2 by 3 into root 3 by 2A. Okay. Now, what they are saying is, I don't know whether you have studied these things. These things have you studied in your class?
Not at sir.
Okay, then I will do one thing. I'll take only the circum radius means you have a triangle. On touching all the three vertices of the triangle, you draw a circle. That is called circum circle. And the radius of the circle is called circum radius. Okay, this is one thing you have to understand. So the formula says, the AG is the circumradius equal to 2 by 3 AD, 2 by 3 AD, but AD is nothing but root 3 by 2 A. So we'll take this formula 2 by 3 into root 3 A by 2. So 2 cancels. So that is root 3 A by 3. That is root 3 A by 3 means A root 3. A by root 3 is the answer. So here by that answer, where is the question? Yeah. A by root 3. A is what? A is side of the triangle, 9. A by root 3. 9 by root 3. 9 by root 3 is what? A by root 3 means A by root 3 is the circumradius. Write down somewhere, circumradius is equal to A by root 3. And side is A, that is 9. In this case 9. Up 9 by root 3. So what is the which option is correct? Which 9 by root 3, they have not given 9 by root 3, but there is something is given which is equal to 9 by root 3. Which is that? 9 by root 3. So in the
3
four
centimeters,
options,
sir.
which option is equivalent to 9 by root 3?
3 centimeters, sir.
9 by root 3. 9 can be written as 3 into 3.
3
And
root 3.
3 root 3 is the answer. See, 9 can be done 3 by 3 into 3. So I will take that this one, that calculation window. Then only I can write down. 1 minute. 9 is equal to 3 into 3, and 1 3 you keep it aside. Another 3 is root 3 into root 3. You can write 1 3 as root 3 into root 3. Wait a minute. Let it open. So these things you may study in 10th standard or something. I don't know which standard you will study. But this question paper is a 10th standard question paper only. So definitely you will study either in 9th or 10th. If not on 9th, you will study in 10th. Okay. If the circle is inscribed in the triangle, touching all the three sides of the triangle, that is called incircle. That is called incircle. If you draw a circle touching the vertices of the triangle, that is called circumcircle. One is circumcircle, other one is incircle. Oh, it's taking some time. 1 minute. Yeah, now it's, see, the calculation says what is this? Why is it happening like this? Okay, I think now you understood, no? 9 by root 3 is equal to 3 root 3. Okay. Go to question number 109. 1 minute. 109 and 110 you can do. And then we will discuss. 109 you can do, then we will discuss. Just take 1 minute and do the 109. Can you read 109 summary?
Yes, sir. If the mode is of the data 23, 15, 24, 40, 27, 26, 22, 25, 20, x is 25, then the value of x is
Then the value of x is. Just find out. Study, read the question once more and then try. Yeah. So what is the answer, Sabari? Mode means what? What does mean by mode?
The observation, sir.
In the observation, what do we mean by mode? The number which repeats maximum times, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So in this case, if the mode, then the value of x is 25. Mode is 25, but the series is given up to x. So if the mode is 25, 25 should repeat more than once, because all other numbers are repeated only once. So what should be the value of that x?
25, sir.
25. 25 is the answer. Correct. Very good. Okay, go to question number 110. Okay, go to question number 111 because of adjustment. 111 you try to do. I'll just join you. Can you read the 102, 111?
Yes, sir. If the sum of n terms of an AP is 5n square minus 3n, then its 100th term is
Yeah, if the sum of n terms of an AP is 5n square minus 3n, then its 100th term is. Have you studied AP?
no, sir.
Oh, achha, you have not studied AP, eh? Then let's not do this. You will not find it difficult. Okay. So do question number 112. The expression x power 4 plus 4 can be factorized as which one? If you know which option will give equivalent to x power 4 plus 4. I'll tell you a secret, a shortcut. So in the first one, x square plus 2x plus 2 into x square minus 2x plus 2, x square x power 4. If you have to get 4, then plus 2 into plus 2 it will give 4. Okay, you keep it aside. First one will give it. Will in the second one will you get plus 4?
No, sir.
Yeah, you will get only minus 4. In the third one,
Minus,
will you get plus 4 or minus 4?
minus 4.
Minus 4. In the fourth one,
Minus 4, sir.
so which one will be the answer?
Second one, sir.
Second one. The one
No,
which
sir,
has
first
got plus 4. Which one is giving first plus 4?
one, sir. First one.
First one. You need not even calculate. Sometimes the question will be so easy, you need not even calculate. You understood, Aditi, what I am trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, here you need not calculate anything. You have to get plus 4. Where will you get plus 4? Only in option 1 you will get plus 4. Finished. That's the answer. So it is many a times this kind of easy time saving methods will be there. Read 113, Aditi.
If a side of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:3, then find the ratio of their area is.
If the sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:3, then the ratio of their areas is. What is the formula for ratio? I mean, area of triangle?
Half into breadth into
Half
height,
into
sir.
breadth into height. So, if the size of the triangle are in the ratio 4:3, then you are actually multiplying one length and breadth. So, two are there. So, that means you have to square. 4 square and 9 square will be the answer. That is how which option is correct. It will be in the ratio of 16:9.
9.
Okay. Then go to question number 114. You can read summary. 114.
Yes, sir. If F1 is equal to F2 and is equal to 1 and F1 is equal to F1 minus 1 plus F1 minus 2, then the value of F3 is
How do you find? The value of F3 will be equal to F2 plus F1. Is it correct? See, if F power Fn equal to Fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2, the second equation. You put n equal to 3. So what will happen? F3 is equal to F2 plus F1. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What is F1 is equal equal to F2 equal to 1. So F3 will be how much?
2, sir.
2 is answer. It's not difficult. Maybe on the face of it, it looks difficult, but it's not difficult. Okay, right. So this theta and all you wouldn't have studied. Okay, the probability have you studied? No. Probability?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you read the question. Let's see whether we can do it.
The probability that a leap year selected at random, which contains 53 Sundays, is
The probability that a leap year selected at random which contains 53 Sundays. Normally, how many Sundays we will have? 52 weeks, 52 Sundays we will have. But if it has to get 53 Sundays, what is the probability? Then that year has to start with Sunday.
yes, sir.
Year has to start with Sunday. No, is it year has to start with Sunday? No. If it is Sunday. Okay, 52 into 7 is how much? 50, leap year is 366 days. No, I will write down. See, leap year means, oh, this calculation we are not able to open. Huh? 1 minute. Leap year is 366 days. If you divide by 7, how many Sundays you will get? 366 divided by 7. You put it. How much? What is the quotient? What is the remainder?
The remainder will be 2 and the quotient will be 52, sir.
Oh, see, 366 divided by 7. The remainder is 2. It means if these two remainder, if it is a Sunday or a Monday, then you will get 53 Sundays, isn't it?
Yes,
If it is
sir.
a Monday also, you will get Sunday. So what will be the answer? Let's see. No, the option. So it's 2 divided by how much?
7, sir.
2 divided by 7. Yes. 2 divided by 7 because the total number of days is 7. Out of which two possible options are there. So 2 divided by 7 is the answer. Very good. Okay, go to question number. You factorize this polynomial. This again, you can do the similar way what I have done. You have to get minus 6. Or you have to get 2x power 4. In the first one, will you get 2x power 4? In the first option, will you get 2x power 4?
Yes, sir.
Will you get 2x power 4? I don't know. No,
No,
you will
sir. No,
not
sir.
get. You will not
Only X
get.
power 4.
Huh?
We will get only X power 4,
Yeah, in
sir.
the second one, will you get 2x power 4?
No, sir.
In the third one, will you get 2x power 4?
Yes, sir.
In the fourth one, will you get 2x power 4?
No, sir.
So, which is the answer?
Third one, sir.
Third option.
Okay. See, you did not do much things. See, these exams, like children, I wanted to show you, I wanted to tell you, these exams are very, very easy. Only thing is, but you should have a knowledge. So then only you can answer the questions. But generally it is easy. You need not calculate much. But if you start calculating, it will take more time. But if you just observe it and try and see whether you can get the answer through the option, then it will be easy thing. So that knack you should have that knack. All of you are with me, Aditi, Srinidhi. Are you able to find out
Yes,
why
sir.
the third option is the right answer?
Yes, sir.
If you have not understood it, tell me. I will repeat again. I will tell you why. See, you have to get 2x power 4. In the first one, you will get x power 4, but not 2x power 4. The second one also you will get x power 4, but not 2x power 4. The third one, you have 2x, because of which you will get 2x power 4. So that is the answer. Fourth one also. Okay. The cyclic quadrilateral, have you studied cyclic quadrilateral?
Yes, sir.
Say, if, okay, can you read it?
Yes, sir. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral such that AB is the diameter of the circle circumscribing it and angle ADC is equal to 140 degree. Then angle BAC is
1 minute. I'm just trying to. AB is the diameter of the circle. AB is diameter of the circle. Okay. A, B, C, D is a cyclic chord such that AB is the diameter of the circle. Okay. Right. And circle subscribing it, and ADC is 140 degree. Then BAC. I think there's something wrong in this question, so we will skip and we'll go next question. I think the question is little wrong, I think.
yes,
I'll
sir.
just check. Okay, next one you go. Read that 119.
The areas of three adjacent faces of a cuboid are P, Q, and R. If its volume is V, then the square of its volume is
Okay, now I wanted to ask you, what is a cuboid?
there are 3D of a rectangle.
Say you have a rectangle. Okay, so how many faces are there in a cuboid? In a cuboid, how
Six,
many faces are there?
six, sir.
6 faces. So one face will have a measurement, and opposite to that will have the same measurement. So you can say 3 unique faces are there. Okay, and the areas of those 3 faces are P, Q, R. Okay, the volume of cuboid will be how much? What is the
Sir,
formula? LBH, isn't it?
breadth into height into length, sir.
LBH. Suppose you multiply P into Q into R, what will you get? What is P? Let us say in this case, can we say P equal to L into B? One side, area of one side.
Yes, sir.
Q equal to BH,
Yes, sir.
and R is equal to LH.
Yes, sir.
What is the, if you multiply PQR, what you are getting? LB into BH into LH. How much you are getting? L square, B square, H square. Am I correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
What we want? We want LBH we want. So L square, B square, H square equal to PQR. LBH will be equal to what? I do it here.
PQR, sir.
Huh?
PQR, sir.
PQR. No, root PQR.
Yes,
See,
sir.
area of one side, area of one side is equal to P. Another side is area of three sides. Three sides are three sides. P, comma Q, comma R. So this P will be equal to either LB or BH or LH, one of these. Q will be equal to BH. R will be equal to LH. Okay. So if you multiply PQR, P into Q into R, you will get LBH whole square. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What we want? We want volume of that cuboid. That is nothing but LBH. LBH is equal to, so PQR root of PQR. That is, we will write like this here, 0.5. So PQR root of PQR is the answer. Root of PQR, that is first option. Okay. These are not difficult but little tricky. Okay. Read 120th question.
8 men and 12 boys can finish a work in 10 days, while 6 men and 8 boys can finish it in 14 days. Then the number of days taken by one man alone is
How do we do it? Have you studied this kind of problem? Have you studied this kind of problem, I say?
Sir, last year we have studied. Sir.
Last year you have studied. Okay. So how do you do it? Do you remember it? You must have studied like this in your school. I think it will be like this. I'll show you. I think this is the method they would have said. So this is what what is the question? 8 men, 12 boys, 10 days. Men, boys, days. 8 men, 10 boys, 12 days. Am I correct? Am I writing it right correct?
Yes, sir.
Then 6 men, 8 boys, 14. 6, 8, 14. 6, 8, 14. 6, 8, 14. Okay, now what are they asking? Number of days taken by one man alone. Okay. 8 men, 10 boys, 12 days. How do we do it? Let us say one man will take m days to complete the work, and one boy will take b days. Boy for boy b for a man n. Then can I say one man in one day, one man in one day, he will do 1 by m part of the work?
Yes, sir.
Portion of the work, yeah, 1 by m portion of the work, portion of the whole work of the work. And one boy will do 1 by b, 1 by b portion of the work. Okay, then 8 men means 8 men will do what? 8 men will do 1 man 1 by m. So 8 men means 8 by m. 8 by m plus 8 by m bracket, I think I have to put bracket. 8 by m. Somebody has come, we will allow them. So 8 men will do 8 by m, 10 boy will do 10 by b, equal to, in one day, I mean in 8 days, he will do one work. He will equal to, they will do one work. Next equation is 6 by m plus 8 by b, 8 divided by b is equal to 1. From this, can you find m and b? We want only m. Can you find m and b? You solve it. 8m plus 10b, 10 by b, 8 by m plus 10 by b equal to 1. 6 by m plus 8 by b is equal to 1. How do we solve this? I'll solve it to you. This you know how to solve, I think. Anyway, I will do it for you. I'll just copy this. So this is not there. So these are the two equations. If you have to make if you have to remove b, let me multiply the top one by 8. If I multiply by the first equation by 8, what will happen? 64 by m will get plus 80 by b you will get equal to, if I multiply by how much? 8, no? Then it will be 8. Again here, if you multiply by 10, 60 by m, here multiply by 10 means what? 80 by b, 80 by b, multiply by 10 means here is 10. So equation 1, equation 2 here, Equation 1 minus 2 will give you what? Equation 1 minus 2 will give you 64 divided by m minus 60 divided by m. 80 by b and 80 by b gets cancelled, equal to 8 minus, sorry, that we multiplied by 8, no, that, and this we multiplied by 10, yes, correct, 8 minus 10. So 64 minus m, then that will be how much? 4 divided by m? 4 divided by m is equal to minus 2. So m equal to, why I'm getting something wrong, no? Let me, I don't know what mistake I made. Let me see. Question, where is the question? Anything I wrote it wrongly? 8 men, 12 boys. Oh, I wrote 10 boys, I think. 12 boys equal to 1. And then the next one, and 6, 8, 14. That 6, 8, 14. My God, oh, this side, why I put 1? I don't know. Eight by m, 12 by n, 1. 8 men and 12 boys. No, what is that? 8 men and 12 boys doing 12 days. In 12 days, oh, sorry. 12 days means, sorry. 8 men in 1 men, 1 by m means 8 men. Of course, this is 1 by 12 then. This is 1 by 12. This is 1 by 14. 8 men, 12 boys will do in 12 days. 8 men, 12 boys in 10 days, sorry, 10 days. That is 10 days. This is 10. Yes, now this we have multiplied this by 8. Or this we have multiplied by 8 means this will become 96. 96. And this will be 8 by 10. Sorry. And this we multiply by 12. 12 means 12 with 12, 6, 72 here. 72. 12 means 12 into 8, 96 here. And then here 12 means 12 by 14. Now you can 64 by m and minus 72 by m. 72 by m equal to 8 by 10 8 by 10 minus 12 by 4, 12 by 14, sorry. This side minus 8 by m, minus 8 by m is equal to, here it is LCM if you take 140. What happened? 14 into 8 is how much? 14 into 8, 112. And 12 into 10, minus 20, minus 120. So this will be this one. So that is equal to minus 8 by 140. Minus 8 by 140. So m equal to 8, 8 cancels. So 1 by m, minus 1 by m, minus cancels. So that is 1 by m is equal to 1 by 40. So m is equal to 140 is the answer. Let me see whether the answer comes or not. Yes, 140 is there. But this thing, this looks very long. There may be some shortcut. I don't know whether you are understood or not. I'm not very sure. Have you understood? So you have not understood, I think. So anyway, we will keep that question just like that. We will take up some simple questions later, and then we'll move to this question. Okay, right. Go to question this one. Okay. Next paper we'll see. Next paper we have seen. Oh, this only we have seen. No? This one can you do 113? Can you read it? Somebody can read. This maybe we will keep this as last question. Yeah. Somebody you can read.
Yes, sir. Which of the following numbers will completely divide 4 power 61 plus 4 power 62 plus 4 power 63 plus 4 power 64?
You know how to do this? You know the method? Any of you? Do you know the method? I will tell you the method. If you know the method, it will be very easy. You will always think that, oh, this is very, very simple. If you know the method, this will be very, very simple. See, 4 power 1 is how much, Sabari?
4, sir.
4 power 2?
16, sir.
4 power 3? Can somebody else say? 4 power 3 is how much? 4 power 3.
64, sir.
4 power 4.
256, sir.
256. 4 power 5. Okay, 4 power. Now you see the last digit 4, 6, 4, 6 like this. It comes 4, 6, 4, 6. It will continue. So now 4 power. What is that they are asking? 4 power what? 60? 61. 4 power 61. 4 power 61. It will end with what?
4, sir.
It will end with 4. Then 4 power 62 will end with what?
6, sir.
4 power 63.
4, sir.
So let me say. 4 power 63 will end with 4. 4 power 64 will end with 6.
6, sir.
So now what is asked? Then 4 power 61 plus 4 power 62 plus 4 power 63 plus 4 power 64. What will be the end number? Last digit?
20, sir.
Yeah, 20. That is 0. Correct?
Yes.
0.
Yes, sir.
So if a number ends with 0, it will be divisible by what?
10, sir.
It will be divisible by 10. Like this you can do. One need not really calculate what is 4 power 61. This is the method for this. Children, have you understood this? Others?
Yes.
You have to be very careful because no, sometimes some difficult question. I mean, I won't say difficult, but tricky questions they will ask like this. So I wouldn't say it's difficult. Till the time you know it is difficult. Okay, 115. Can anybody say what is the answer? Can anybody, Rakshan, you read it? One of you can read this. Yes, any one of you can read 115? Sabir, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, read it.
The scientific
Scientific notation of
Hmm.
10 crore 80
No,
lakhs
you
kilometer
just say
is
108 like that. No, don't try to find 10 crore or 108 crore. 108,000,000 kilometer is. Which one is correct?
option D, sir.
Option D is the right answer. Correct. 1.08 into 10 power 8. If you know, put the 10 power 8, 8 zeros, 2 zeros, that point will come that side, another 6 zeros. So that will be the answer. Okay? Maybe we will take. We read this, somebody, quick. Read this quickly.
Cards are marked from 1 to 50 are placed in the box and mixed thoroughly. A card is drawn at random from the box. What is the probability of this card to be a multiple of 5?
How many cards are there which are multiples of 5 in that 1 to 50?
10, sir.
10. So what will be the probability? There are 10 cards out of how many cards?
50, sir. So
So
1
10
by
by
5,
50
sir.
is the answer. 10 by 50 is 1 by 5 is the answer. Ah. Okay, now you read this 117. You read it fast. Summary.
The graph of the line x minus y is equal to 0 passes through the point.
It will pass through which point?
Fourth option, sir.
Fourth option, yeah, because yes, x should be equal to y. X should be equal to y. Only that option has x is equal to y. Only one option, that is x equal to y, is the fourth option. Suppose if they have given, instead of 0, comma 0, they have given 3, comma 3. Then which one will be the option? Which one will be the correct
Fourth
answer?
option.
3, comma 3 will be the answer, isn't it? If 9x plus 7 and 2x plus 9 are factors of quadratic polynomial, then coefficient of x will be how much?
Eight, sir.
8, 18. Check. Coefficient of x, not x square. Coefficient of x. 9x into 9, 81x. So 81 will be coefficient. Then 7 into 2x, 14x. So 81 plus 14 will be how much?
95, sir.
95 is the answer. Okay, one last question. 5, bracket 5 into 8 power 1 by 3 plus 27 by power 1 by 3 whole power 3 and then whole power 1 by 4. You have to take the innermost bracket. 8 power 1 by 3 plus 27 1 by 3. 8 power 1 by 3 is equal to how much? 8 is 2 power 3. So 2 power 3 whole power 1 by 3 will be equal to 2.
2.
2 power 3 whole